welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. We are in the month of February already and there is Valentine's Day season going on. Everybody's having sales here and there, and if you are someone who is in a relationship, ask your partner to buy you a Nykaa voucher today itself, and if you're single, gift yourself this thing, because what better than gifting a girl lots of Nykaa goodies? It's like everything a girl wants. I have here this entire goodie bag from Nykaa's Pink Love sale. They were kind enough to send this to me, and I'm going to share a couple of offers, my recommendations, and basically this entire haul. Even I'm shopping quite a bit during this sale, so make sure you subscribe to the channel to see a lot more hauls, freebies, etc. So yeah, it's the love season and we are already in the month of February of 2025. It's pretty exciting. So yeah, now without further ado, let's get started. So I got this huge bag from Nykaa. I really like that, now they are giving these huge tote bags. They're great for grocery runs and all. And there are quite a lot of products that I really wanted, and I've got them, and a couple of other products that I'm gonna buy in this Nykaa Pink Love sale. Because to be honest, I didn't shop a lot in their November Pink Friday sale. So let's hope for the Pink Love sale. And yeah, I'll be giving you guys my recommendations and all. So now let's get into all of these products. So the first one that I have is the very famous Wishcare Hair Growth Concentrate Serum with Redicinal, Anagenol, Caffeine, Biotin, Rosemary Water. This one, it's so famous. I've never tried this one, but I've heard everybody talking about this serum. I have kind of tried it out a bit when I got this one. It's like your proper hair serum spray that you sprayed before or after shampoo. This one, the hair growth serum, I've heard such good reviews about this. I'm really excited to try this one out. I have seen people saying that the hair growth actually went up, or at least the hair fall reduced. So I'm pretty excited to try this one out. And this one is at good offer. The MRP of this is 999, but I think on Nykaa you always get it for 700-800 rupees during these sales as well, with free gifts. So yeah, this is something that I'm excited to try out, which is the Wishcare Hair Growth Serum Concentrate. One thing I've noticed is, my hair has started to kind of act weird if I use hair oils, but when I use such kind of hair serums or hair concentrations, it really works well. So I don't know why. Let me know if your hair is facing the same. Maybe because of the pollution and all, they are not really liking the oil head massages that we used to do regularly, and they prefer a serum like this. So yeah, I'm excited to try this one out. The second product that I've got is the Foxtail Stunner Skin Radiance face mask. I already have one right now in my washroom. I love this purple clay mask. It's packed, so I'm not opening it right now, but I love this. If you've been following me for a while, you would know I've mentioned that in my favorites. I've mentioned that in a lot of my recommendations video. It is one of the really most easy to use quick facial mask that I've found recently. There was the time I used to love those face masks those Himalaya Neem face packs, but I just couldn't find a good clay mask until the Foxtail launched this purple clay mask, and I'm happy I have a backup. So we've got this one. And by the way, on Nykaa, on Foxtail, they always have buy one get two free sort of a deal going on. The next one that I have is a recent launch from Nykaa. This is the Nykaa Natural Saffron and 10% Vitamin C Glow Face Serum. So I think Nykaa recently launched a set of these kind of serums. They have changed their entire packaging as well. So it comes in these kind of dispensing packaging. I'm just struggling to remove it out of the box. Anyway, so I have the Saffron and Vitamin C Hyaluronic Acid Glow Serum, which is the Radiant Glow Serum, and this is how the packaging is. So you just have the serum. I haven't tried this one out, let's see, but this is for dark spots and dull skin, which I always have. So I'm excited to try this new launch from Nykaa. They have a couple of different variants in this, and the quantity also that you're getting is pretty huge. So let's see. Let me know if you would like to see a review of this. If not, you'll always find it in my empties video, so make sure you subscribe because I make monthly empties video. Then we have a sunscreen. This one is the La Shield Fisco Matte Sunscreen Gel, SPF 50 PA Quadruple Plus, chemical free, water resistant up to 8 hours. You can never have enough of sunscreen. I personally have never tried any sunscreen from La Shield, so it's going to be my first time trying it out. This is how the packaging is, and it's a matte sunscreen gel. I'm really not sure about the matte part because I like my sunscreen to be a little bit dewy. Okay, Let's see if it leaves any white cast. I just like to, blend it like this. That's the best way to know if a sunscreen. Okay, it is very silicone-y. I don't know why. It doesn't leave that much of a white cast, but it's a bit silicone-y, and yeah, it gives you that soft matte feel. I really like the fact that it gives you a very nice soft matte feel rather than, that matte dry feel. So I'm really impressed with it. I'm definitely gonna like using this sunscreen quite a lot from La Shield, and it's pretty affordable as well. I'll just tell you the price of this sunscreen. It's a 50-gram one for like what, 800 or 700 rupees. Really like this one. It's a very nice soft matte feel, perfect for a primer as well, to be honest. So I really like this sunscreen. So we've got this. Then we've got a recent launch from Neutrogena. I mean, it's a recent launch here in India. It's the Ultra Gentle Foaming Cleanser for sensitive skin. I really like things which are more for like sensitive dry skin because my skin is a bit dry. This one is their huge bottle for 200 ml. I used to love the Neutrogena's basic gentle cleanser, the brownish colored ones. But I think they launched two new ones. One is the ultra gentle sensitive one, and the other one is like a foaming cleanser. Even this one is a foaming cleanser. But that one is for oily skin. This is for sensitive skin. So I'm excited to try this face wash out. I'm definitely sure it's going to be a good face wash, but it's a new launch from Neutrogena. Then we've got the serum that I wanted to try out since a really long time. This one is the 5+ Numbuzin Vitamin Concentrate Serum for Brightening Antioxidant included serum. Now this one is pretty expensive. This one is for 2,100 rupees, and I've heard so much about Numbuzin serums, especially the number 4. This one is the 5+ one. Now it comes in a dropper packaging. The dropper is separate, and then you have your 5+ serum. I like that it's in a full black packaging, but it doesn't get oxidized. So I really like this serum for that matter. It's a vitamin C serum. Let's see, on my skin vitamin C doesn't really soothe that much, only few vitamin C soothes. So let's see how this one works out. But because it's a Korean product, I'm pretty sure it'll work out. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel to know the review of this product, but I'm excited to try the vitamin C serum. Then we've got this Bioderma Sebum Hydra Moisturizer. This is the Ultra Moisturizing Compensating Care Ultra Dry Treatment Sulfur Cream. Now this one, okay, I haven't tried. I've tried the matching face wash, the green face wash of Bioderma. But this is more like a hydrating moisturizer for dry patches and all. I like the applicator. It's pretty good. I like nozzle applicators, to be honest. And okay, I don't know why is it oozing out. It's just oozing out continuously. I'll have to close it. Okay. Just see the amount of product wasted. Oh, it's very lightweight. It's more like, your Clinique Moisture Surge moisturizer. It has a slight Cica calming smell. But yeah, it gets absorbed really well. I mean, if it is a dupe of Clinique Moisture Surge, I really want to know the price, because I'm sure this Bioderma moisturizer is going to be less expensive than Clinique Moisture Surge, which is my favorite. But yeah, it's a very good moisturizer. I'm really impressed. It literally gives you that soft gel finish. And this one is for like, I think around what, 500 or 600 rupees. I'm really not sure. But I really like this one. Do give this one a try. If you're someone who loves Bioderma and is looking for a good moisturizer, try this one out, because in the first impression I already like it. The next product that I have is the Pilgrim 3% Retinol and 4% Advanced Hair Growth Serum. This is again very similar to the Wishcare Hair Growth Serum. Let's see how this one works out. This is how the packaging is. So I'm excited to try this one out. I'm really happy that I've got a lot of hair care products, because I really want to focus on my hair this year. Of course, I want to take care of my skin, but hair especially, because trust me, the moment you cross your 25s and all, the white gray hair situation starts troubling you. So yeah, I'm looking for a solution for that, but we've got the serum. Before going to the makeup products, this is the last hair care product, and I am so glad I got this one. This one is the L'Oreal Absolute Repair Molecular Peptide Bond Pi Amino Acid Hair Mask. This is a recent peptide bond entire hair care range from L'Oreal, which is like similar to your Olaplex Bond Repair Complex. This one is for 2,000 rupees, and it's a hair mask, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's a hair leave-in mask. I'm just not sure how you're supposed to use it because it's a leave-in mask. I'll have to figure that one out. But I'm really excited to try this one out. I've heard such good reviews about the shampoo and the conditioner of this range. If this one works well, I'm definitely going to try out the shampoo and conditioner. And if it's on amazing offer right now on Nykaa, then I'm getting that. So let's move on to the few makeup items that I've received. First of all, I have this Insight Cosmetics Pro Concealer Palette. This one is a really affordable palette for like what? 230 rupees, where you've got all of these concealer shades and color corrector shades. I'm mostly not using it because I'm really not into all that color correcting stuff, but it's a really good affordable thing in case you want to try it out. Then we've got this Lamel Let's Glaze Hydrating Lip Oil. I have tried this one and I'm in love. This one is in the variant Chocolate Cookies. I don't know if it smells like that because I don't remember the smell, but oh no, it doesn't smell like chocolate cookies, but look at the wand. And this is such a good hydrating lip oil, guys. If you're looking for a good lip oil, please try this one out. Really affordable as well. It's hardly for like 300-400 rupees. This is the Lamel lip oil. Love this thing. Then we've got this eyeliner. This one is the Elite All Eyes on You Pop Eyeliner in the variant Red Flag. So it's a red eyeliner, a matte red eyeliner. So I'm excited to see how it is. I mean, let's just open and try it out, because I've never heard that you can get a red eyeliner. So this would be interesting. I mean, I don't see myself using it that much as an eyeliner. I'll probably end up using it as something else. But sometimes when you are, just look at it. It's a bright red color and it's a matte eyeliner. So now I'm really excited to see how it performs. Guys, after a lot of efforts, I'm finally able to open this one. And let's just, wow. Just look at this red eyeliner. It's crazy. I don't know for what am I going to use it. Like, it's super bright, but if you're a makeup artist, I'm sure you can make it work in different ways. But look at that pigmentation. Really like it. I'm hoping that it has different shades in this, which can be more wearable than the red color. But yeah. Now I have the last three products in my Nykaa Pink Love bag. So these are lipsticks and a liquid liner. So this one is the Lakme Unreal Precision House of Lakme liquid liner in black. I really don't like black eyeliners because I wear only brown liners, which I love from K Beauty, by the way. So if you are looking for that, you can try it out. But this one is the Lakme's Precision eyeliner in black. I would probably give this to my mom because I really like brown eyeliners, but again, it's a very good quality one. So we've got this. Then we've got the last two things, out of which one is my favorite, which I'm talking about this. I wanted this and I got it in my Pink Love bag. This one is the Etude House Melting Lip Balm Stick. This one is in the variant Soft Mauve, and it's the Ginger Sugar Melting Lip Balm Kit and lip balm stick, sorry. And like I told you, this one is in the variant 0 to Soft Mauve. So now this, okay, it's like a lip balm, a retractable lip balm. Just look at the packaging. This is one of, I've used it, guys, by the way. This is one of the best lip balms, like tinted lip balms that I've come across. I've tried lip balms from Tipsy Beauty. I've tried lip balms from Hyphen, lip balms from Simply Nam. But in terms of tinted lip balm category, nothing beats this. First of all, it comes in a tube. This is how it is. The moment you twist it, okay, it'll make such a noise, and I'll just swatch it for you. See, such a beautiful shade. I'm definitely ordering more of this. It has a little ginger minty scent to it, like it suggests, but such a good product. Look at that shade. It's in the shade 02. Guys, if you want to buy something out of all of these products, please try out this lip balm from Etude House. It's game changing. The last makeup product that I have is this Kiro Beauty's Slick Stick Luxe Matte Lipstick in the shade Mauve Macaroon. Now I'm really excited for this shade. Now I've already swatched it and I loved it. I have Kiro Beauty's brown lipstick that I really like, but it's too brown for me. This is their Luxe Peptide Vegan Hyaluronic Acid Lipstick. The packaging is somewhat like this, and the shade that I have is that I told you, which is Mauve Macaroon. Just look at the shade. It's such a beautiful shade. I really like this shade. Absolutely love this one. So in case you want to try the shade out, you can. I am definitely loving all these products. Guys, those were all the products that I got in my pink love sale bag. Now coming to my recommendations. Of course, Nykaa has amazing offers going on. Currently, okay, I would suggest to pick up from Kay Beauty because it's exclusively available on Nykaa. In Kay Beauty, my favorite picks are definitely their matte eyeliner. I love the shade Grunge Raisin, which is more like a dark brown eyeliner shade. I'm currently wearing that eyeliner as well. And second thing from Kay Beauty will be their Hydra Creme lipsticks in the variant Dreamer. I personally really like the shade Dreamer. It's more like a nude pink brown. And I have tried it in person in one of the Nykaa pop-up stores. And it's for $999 if I'm not wrong. So yeah, you can get those. Secondly, Charlotte Tilbury. So this is something that I always say that guys, during these sales, please buy some luxury products because they have better discounts compared to anything else. From Charlotte Tilbury, you guys know Hollywood Flawless Filter. I love that thing, as well as their setting spray. Now the setting spray is a bit debatable because some people don't like it. I personally really enjoy using it, and you can get it at up to 20% off as well. So do try that one out. Plus with that, you also get some freebies. And if you're someone who really likes a basic lipstick that is going to last you for a really long time and something that will go on all of your outfits, like the one that I'm wearing right now, which is the Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk lipstick. Although it is for 3,450 rupees, but it's worth it because I really like the shade. So yeah, you can try that one out. In perfume, I would recommend you guys to try out Kayali. I recently saw they have this entire yummy vanilla set with pistachio and vanilla, which is for 7,000 rupees. So yeah, you can check out Kayali perfumes. You can also check out Prada Candy. I really like Prada perfumes, especially the candy one. I'm actually finishing it out recently. It's on the verge of emptying, and the 80 ml one is for 9,200 rupees. So you can get it at good discount during the Nykaa sale. The recommendation will be the Clinique Moisture Surge. I love that moisturizer. I've already stocked up on it, and right now you can get a couple of freebies with that moisturizer as well. So you can get the Clinique Moisture Surge. Guys, those were a few of my recommendations in the Pink Love Bag video. I will be definitely doing a huge Nykaa haul, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and let me know if there's any specific products you would like me to purchase and give you guys a review about. So yeah, this was the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.